Hey guys, it's lunch! We're doing lunchtime unboxing. We've got our friends Big Fish, Little Fish, Pickles, and, oh, he ran, and Gordy. It's kind of a casual unboxing. Also, we've got Merrimack up there. In any case, casual unboxing because it's not anything too special. What I've got is this. It's a book, which I'm excited for. And then this, which is something that came from an online thrift store, but I don't remember what it is. So there's probably nothing special going on today. Thought I'd share some time with you guys while I had a minute. Let's open up this one. Do I have anything special coming up? I've got two Irish mercenary lectures coming up, which is pretty cool. One at the Kent District Library, one at Grimsby Hollow Meadery. And I am teaching my Viking Axe combat class. That's a lot of fun too. Just announced the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center's fly fishing classes for May and June, which are going to be here in Grand Rapids. Check those out. I think that's it. There's probably more. I feel like I'm forgetting something important. Oh yeah, the Coffee with Warriors coming up this Sunday, where it's a live stream interview with the guy who runs Grand Rapids Capoeira. So check that out too. It's gonna be fun. So let's see what this book is. I know what this book is. I'm excited about it. It is. I promise I'm not going WEEB on everyone. Secret Weapons of Jutsu. This has been recommended to me. Apparently it covers a lot of the weird Japanese weapons. You know, like the fans and the surigama and the sais and various chain weapons. So I'm excited about this. This is what really is curious. I love weird weapons. Legitimate weird weapons, like ones that were actually used. So I'm excited to give this a read. Obviously I can't. I'm getting more freaking books than I can keep up with, but I'm trying. I'm in the middle of one on Irish soldiers in the 16th century right now, so I'm going to try to get my way through it. But anyway, let's move on to this big boy right here. I don't know what's in here. I know once I see it, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go, oh, that's what it is. But I don't remember, but I don't think it's anything special because I feel like I'd remember it if it was special. So let us see. By the way, just a shout out to nature for being warm. I'm so excited about that. I know it's a hot topic among people nowadays about whether you miss the cold or you love the warm. I love the warm because I like to go outside, and I hate being cold. So I'm happy that that's here. So what is this? What is this big box with tons of unnecessary paper? Look at this. Half the box is empty. I just took this one thing of paper out. We're not even there yet. I remember. I promise I'm not turning into a weeb. I promise. I promise. This will be, maybe, possibly, they are very dull for our upcoming throwing weapons throwing weapons class coming up in April, May. I promise. I got these because they were cheap and I thought I could take them off of this plaque, which I still might be able to sharpen them. This is hilarious because it's almost like they're marked with Chinese imagery. So I don't know. I'm gonna look at these things. This is like the Japanese fanboy unboxing video. So I'm gonna do some. These are obviously replicas. In no way do I think these are period originals or anything like that, but we might be able to throw them at targets and have some fun. But I'm going to first do some research and see if their designs are actually something out of history, which, you know, I could do with the new book. So let's see if this is something I can do. Oh my god, this unboxing has turned out phenomenal. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you're looking forward to the warm weather and the weekend as much as I am. I hope you all achieve your goals, and I will catch you next time. I've got a lot of boxes to open up. See you then.